Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be learning about print statements, comments, variables, and data types. For simple scripts run on the command line or in Jupyter Notebooks, the print function is going to let you display something to the user. So you can see here if I run this cell with either Shift and Enter or by clicking the Run button at the top, it prints Hello World and 1, 2, 3. If you noticed Hello World lost its single quotes, that's because to print text you have to surround it by either single or double quotes. Next we have comments. Comments don't actually do anything. Python completely ignores them. They're used to label code so that we can read it more easily. Totally up to you when or how often you use it. Data types and variables. Variables store values so that they can be used or modified later. Data type is the label that represents what kind of value it is. For example, whole numbers are integers, text are strings, and so on, but for now we'll just worry about these four: integer, float, string, and boolean. Here's an example assigning values of different data types to variables. If we run this cell, it seems like nothing happens. But that's because we haven't told Python to print anything to the screen. But actually, all those variables are assigned and ready to use. In this last cell, we can print all those values using the print function.